What is GitHub? If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. GitHub is a website where developers store, share, and work on code together. It's built on Git, a system that tracks every change made to the code. This means if something breaks or goes wrong, you can always go back to an earlier version. On GitHub, you create a repository or repo, which is like a folder that holds all your code, files, and the full history of changes. Developers often use branches to work on different parts of a project separately without affecting the main code. When they're ready, they send pull requests to suggest changes, which can be reviewed and approved by others. You can choose to make your project public so anyone can see it, or keep it private for just your team. GitHub also includes tools to help manage your work, like issues for tasks, discussions for team chat, and project board for planning. It connects well with popular code editors like Visual Studio Code. Overall, GitHub is the place where developers write code, save their progress, and build things together in an organized way.